Welcome and thank you for your interest in Trendrating's alternative data solutions. Trendrating is a global provider of data, analytics, and technology for leading asset management firms. We have developed a proprietary sophisticated model to rate securities, countries, sectors, and portfolios. The mission of our company is to help clients fill an intelligence gap by providing a complementary data source generated by an advanced model that was massively tested and has been live since 2014. Our unique multi-indicator model captures the strength and quality of medium-term price trends in order to deliver an additional source of both alpha and risk control. Our model assigns a rating to each covered security from A to D. These ratings are easy to interpret and integrate within any investment process. So where is the opportunity? Statistics and reports relating to actively managed mutual funds tell us that over 80% underperform their respective benchmarks. We strongly believe that is in part due to a gap in the ability of many front office investment professionals to extract intelligence from data, technology, and digital tools. Despite this broad-based underperformance, there remains an extraordinary opportunity for active managers to deliver superior performance on a consistent basis. We know this because of performance dispersion. Dispersion is the difference between the best and the worst performers within a particular group of securities. The dispersion of stock returns within any given universe is a fact that is often overlooked, but one that can have a meaningful impact on the performance of any investment strategy. In this instance, you can see the top 25% of stocks within the US large cap universe over the last 12 months generated an average performance of 84.6%, while the bottom 25% on average generated losses of 28%. The greater the dispersion, the greater the potential to gain meaningful returns above the average return of the index or the benchmark. There is dispersion in the market at all times, and one of the key ways of tapping into this opportunity is by having the ability to consistently identify most of the winners and avoid a significant part of the losers. We show here a number of specific drivers which can explain why fundamentals alone can miss real action. And with price trends having the potential to remain detached to underlying fundamentals for significant periods of time, integrating trend capture within any investment process is more important today than ever before. Let's have a look at the trend ratings in action. The rating change marks the identification of a trend that can last from a few months to a few quarters. The model captures the medium-term trends and not the short-term price swings. In addition to this, our model is designed to filter out short-term volatility and erratic price moves while focusing on the real underlying trend. So what have we covered so far? Trendrating's alternative data solution provides an innovative way in which any investor can seamlessly harness the benefits of trend capture to improve returns and better control risks. The foundation of the model is the A to D rating, and additional analytics we have developed facilitate a deeper analysis and the ranking of different investment universes. Finally, our coverage is broad and global. Here you will see the key data points. They span from the rating, the smart momentum score, which allows for the differentiation of securities between the same ratings, retracement, which provides a good level of guidance as to whether a trend is potentially becoming exhausted, the rating date, the trend date, the performance since rated, and the performance since trend. In order to validate the offering and the value-added benefits of incorporating the range of trend rating analytics, we can utilize a solution we have developed in-house that allows for the design, testing, and validation of active strategies. This strategy is based on the 600 largest stocks in Europe and is benchmarked against the Stoxx Europe 600. The strategy can invest in a maximum of 30 stocks, and on a monthly basis, these are rotated based on predefined selection and ranking rules. The foundation of the strategy is our rating, in this case A and B rated stocks, And you can see here a number of different parameters and metrics we provide. In addition, we can apply rules surrounding the weighting scheme and other prudent portfolio management considerations such as allocation constraints. We can then test this over the last 15 years. The results identify that over this time period, the strategy based on trend rating analytics achieved annualized returns of 9.68% against benchmark returns of 1.69%, resulting in a difference of 7.99%. The investment growth chart illustrates the behavior of the trend rating strategy versus the benchmark over time, with the blue line representing the strategy based on trend rating analytics and the yellow line representing the benchmark. In conclusion, we are proud to be offering a solution that offers mission-critical benefits for all types of investors. By extracting actionable insights from large data sets, market behavior can be better understood. There is significant potential for better risk-adjusted returns. Investors also benefit from greater efficiency and transparency of the investment process. They can understand the impact of integrating trend analytics as the results are fully measurable and trackable. With broad and global coverage, there is scope to expand the investment opportunity set for investors. And finally, the adoption of new forms of data and analytics comes with an array of operational efficiencies such as time and cost saving. Thank you for your time, and the Trend Rating team look forward to addressing any questions you may have.